What am I going to speak today? After a very long time, I just came back for a running and I completed around 6.5 kilometers under 32 minutes, and it seems a very nice experience. And yeah, it seems very nice experience of coming back and going to do being able to do what you like to do, and it feels very fresh waking up in the morning and doing the stuff that you like to do. Also, I was finding that a little bit there was a feeling that since last 2 weeks I was not doing this running and exercising, and it was feeling that my I was a little bit tired all days, tired, or let's say little lazy. I could see the reflections of not doing something uh, in throughout the day. But yeah, it feels very great. Even like the results of doing this are okay. Yes, there are uh, what do you say, instant pleasures or instant results as well. But compared to that, there are long term results, or not results, I would say. I just don't have a proper vocabulary to use. But like in the little bit of a longer period, you just get the feeling that this was really great. You feel very amazed about yourself, and yeah, it feels nice. Just people just be coming and going from here, and I just keep being conscious all the way, all the time. And this is not right thing to do, but yeah, my ability to speak constantly into this free speech has been drastically reduced, and I think I just need to start it again. It just does not matter to me that how do I speak, or what do I speak, or what do people think of that or XYZ. I just keep speaking all the time in my everyday videos, in my usual videos. What other than that I can speak about? While the time of running, I just listened this song called Shodh by this rapper, Bhojpuri rapper called Shikriwal. And there was this line that until what time we'll just keep showing your ass to the people and tell them just fuck me all the time. Stop being this shit and be like a man. Be like a man. I was reading this book yesterday night called Revolutionaries by Sanjeev Sanyal. And oh my gosh, who the fuck were those revolutionaries? Those young kids just were real fucking men. Like Khudiram Bose, Prafulla Chaki, the prisoners in the Kalapani jail. There were some young boys who were like prisoned in the jail of Anban Nicobar by Britishers. And they were fucking men. They were real men. They were doing the rebels. They were doing strikes. They were against the wrong things. And this is what the real men think to do. Always doing the right thing, no matter what the result is, no matter what the situation is, circumstances is, what the people says. Something which is right thing to do, something which is necessary to do, you just need to do it. No matter how much torture you get. A man, a real man can handle unlimited amount of torture. And he should. Because man is having this responsibility of what do we say, uplifting the society, taking care of society. Man is having that power. A real man. I'm not saying in this masculine way or this manly way only. There are female as well who can be a real masculine, who can be a real man. Man in the sense a human, a real human. It does not really matter to me what other people says. It should not matter to me. A real man is not like this. A real man is like this, and his shoulders are straight back. His actions are straight back. He's not afraid of anyone. He's not afraid of challenges. If something beats him down, he's having this capacity of like not waking up, but not waking up. Waking up is not the right word. Getting back to the straight shoulders and being more stronger, and get to know what and get to show what his true or real strength is. It does not matter to him what the situation is or circumstances are. He just fights. A real man just fights. I think I just need to work on my vocabulary, my pronunciation ability, and also my delivery. I just don't have anything proper to say. I just keep talking trash all the time. And I think I just need to start doing this regularly. At least around 8 minutes I can do. At least around 8 minutes. Running and then just start doing this free speaking, and this is great. This will improve your ability to do whatever you used to do. And you start your day by doing the things which you like already. Right? And you actually like. What other than that we can speak about? I just exactly do not know. But yeah, this was a lesson that I learned while the time of running. Be the real man. Be the real man. It does not matter. Breakup is nothing. That's just a normal thing. And it is not to be taken so much seriously. That is what I have learned at this moment. The last video I made about breakup, there were many insights. At that time, I was got out of that zone of being all the time the chunky kid who just be sad all the time. There were moments when I used to be a lot sad just because of breakup. Then everything just cleared and everything just went back to the normal stage. And suddenly something happened in between. I started doing that shit again. It was extremely hard. Again. So painful. I just kept giving it time. I was just crying, and that is not a really right or mature thing to do. Because you just need to take care of yourself. You just need to get up and take some responsibility, some real responsibility. Yesterday I read a lot, and that gave me the real strength. What are my responsibilities towards me? Need to go out and talk with some random new people, hanging out in the sense just to improve what your ability of socializing is, ability to make new networks, being able to make new long-term relationships with people. I'm finding it out that I can talk with people in the shorter way, but it is just really hard for me to maintain or make a longer duration of a relationship with any person, not in particular with a female or just in the romantic or intimate way or whatever. But I just need to work on that. Actually, that is my responsibility towards me. Get up, strengthen your shoulders, and start taking responsibilities of your families, of the people around you, of your home, of the house, of yourself. That is what will provide a meaning to you. That is what will provide a lot of solutions to you. And that is what will help you not focus on trash things or like some bullshit that keeps happening every day. Because you have something meaningful to do. Right? And I just got realized yesterday. Yesterday was a Sunday. Before that, there was a Saturday, and I just didn't read anything. I did not read anything. I was just using my mobile phone and watching the YouTube all the day. At that time, I got to sorry. At that time, I just realized that pain is inevitable. There's too much pain, there is too much struggle, and there's so much bullshit in the life because I just did not had anything meaningful to do. But yesterday, when I choose to do reading instead of scrolling or using the phone, and I was so much engaged in that task, that was a little hard, but still I was engaged. That was a meaningful task to do. That was a responsibility, my responsibility I gave to do something. And after that, there were very good results or whatever. I just do not have proper exact vocabulary. But I could feel very right. I could not think about the trash happening all around. Yeah, it's up to you to choose the right thing. What is the right responsibility towards you? What's the right responsibility? I just want to start podcasting. That's your responsibility. Start doing it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens. It's been it's been long. I just need to stop, and we'll do it tomorrow as well. Definitely.